How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to give a hickey to your girlfriend, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So a hickey is just a bruise, you guys. That's all it is. It's a fancy word for a bruise. Now, to give a hickey, the technique is very simple. You literally take your lips and you suck on the neck. I just refer to the neck because 95% of hickeys are on the neck. This will work anywhere on the body. So the technique's easy. Use your lips, suck on the neck. Very simple. Never use teeth. Teeth will permanently damage skin cells, so don't use teeth ever. Now, the reason why most people can't give other people hickeys is because they don't do it for a long enough period of time. It takes minimum 60 seconds of constantly sucking on the neck to give someone a hickey. So if you only do it for 10 seconds, you will not be able to give someone a hickey. And most people, when you say, hey, try to give a person a hickey, or when they try to do it, they only do it for 5 to 10 seconds. That is not enough time to bruise the skin. It takes minimum 60 seconds to bruise the skin, you guys. So that's how you give someone a hickey. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.